Alright, this is a quick tutorial on how to factory reset and leave the Zigbee mesh on a Control4 automation system. If you're an end user, don't do this unless instructed by your integrator. This will remove the switch from your automation system. It can no longer be controlled by other devices, touch panels, cell phones, etc. So all we are going to do this is press the top button 13 times, the bottom button 4 times, and press the top button 13 times again. Once you see the lights go dark and then light up green again, you know the device has been reset. It's now ready to add